You are welcome to Ghana Armed Forces Museum. The present Kumasi Fort was built by the British government in 1897 from a reconstruction of an old fort built by the Asante in 1820. The old fort was built by Nana Osei Esibe Bonsu and used as his palace. However, it was mined and destroyed by Sir Garnet Worsley's expedition of 1873 and 1874. The construction of the present fort took the plans of Captain Phillips of the Royal Engineers. The fort was originally built on a hill with bricks and granites. The size is about 80 meters square with patwas at each corner. The walls are 3 feet wide and 13 feet high. The upper parts of the wall have holes which served as snipers' posts for defending the fort. The building earlier served as the British colonial administration with offices and residence for troops. After the Second World War, the British used the fort to train local junior officers known as Boys' Company. The first local officer to command the Boys' Company was the late Brigadier G.E. Mitchell. The Armed Forces Museum was officially established in 1952. The Ghana Armed Forces Museum is the only military museum in Ghana and has 10 exhibition halls with a total collection of between 1,500 to 2,000 objects, which cover a range of topics. The Gold Coast Regiment was involved in World War I as part of the British troops in the German Togoland, Cameroon, and some territories in German East Africa from 1914 to 1918. Some of the captured objects from the German soldiers are displayed in this hall. They include rifles, sword, and bayonets. The Gold Coast Regiment, as part of the Commonwealth troops, were also involved in World War II. From 1940 to 1941, they fought the Italians in East Africa, especially in Ethiopia, Eritrea, and Somalia. Then from 1944 to 1945, they fought the Japanese in Burma, close to India. This is where we got the name Burma Camp in Accra. The hall also displays some of the objects captured from the Italians and the Japanese. They include anti-aircraft guns, anti-tank guns, machine guns, rifles, sword, pillows, artillery telescopes, periscopes, mortar guns, officer's plate, a water bottle, military belts, war helmet, hats, bombs, etc. In the Burma War of 1944 to 1945, emergency rations, food, were dropped from British airplanes to serve their hungry soldiers in the field. Ex-Sergeant Kofi Jemfi of the Southeastern African Command, 81st Division, Gold Coast Regiment, preserved one of these British special ration packs, which is displayed in the first hall of the museum. He was also known as the Hat Man. The first hall also displayed the original keys and handles of the present fort and the signpost of the training center held in the fort before the establishment of the museum. Do not forget to share, like, and subscribe to this channel. Enjoy the tour.
Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.
Civilization was so hard. I mean, education. So now the way we pronounce our R and L was difficult. So say becomes sa. Garnet becomes grant. Combination sagrant. You get it? So after that one and the two, then they demolished this building because here was the first mention. In our history, here was the first mention. So they demolished the building, the white built what they think they can use as their balance. So all these buildings was built by the British. So this is where they were staying. So after the years and those that they will catch, they will bring you here, they will detain you here, you die here, they will do mass burial for you. But Cassandra here alone, as I said, she came here without them. She alone came here and they should like capture her and in exchange of her daughter, because they said to her that if she didn't come, they would kill her. So she came here in exchange of her daughter. So they detained her for some days, and later she was conveyed to Tisho's Island. Over there, that she passed away on 17th October 1921. So she died there 1921, 17th October. So you will come inside to experience what Yaksantua and her colleagues went through as this cell. So some of you should come inside, experience what your people went through. Go inside. So this place they can keep. And this is the point. Go inside, experience it. That's why you are here. He said, oh. 10 people. Yes. It's okay. You go here. Go inside.
Wait. I have to go and video.
You guys should come and listen.
It wasn't easy. And one thing is that.
Relax. Hey, wait, let me use the touch so that I can. Please, my Jesus, my goodness gracious. No. You wanted to do that.